Alright, so let's get started with video number 12. The course is Exploring the World of YouTube Shorts for Businesses. Growing your channel with YouTube Shorts. YouTube is adding more updates to Shorts beta. If you learn how to use the features, you can grow your channel with short vertical videos. Find out the latest updates and trends with YouTube Shorts so that you can better grow your channel. Watch this video. We have covered everything in detail in this lecture. Latest updates to YouTube Shorts. With recent updates, you may have to think differently about the way you create short videos. The latest Shorts updates have revealed 4 undeniable truths. Shorts are appearing in search results, so you should absolutely create them. If you focus on making unique shorts that go viral, subscribers will find you. Every short needs a pinned comment. Musical shorts may contain trends or dance challenges, which means you should research topics and songs before you press record. YouTube Shorts are becoming more discoverable. Don't hesitate to post them. Are you familiar with the short shelf? This display area for short vertical videos has been on the app's homepage for months. Now it's also appearing on search pages. If you are posting shorts to YouTube, this is a new opportunity to get your content discovered. Question is, how to search for YouTube Shorts? As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, searching for YouTube Shorts was relatively straightforward. But please note that the specific methods or features may have evolved since then. Here is how you could search for YouTube Shorts at that time. Number 1, using the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. In the search bar at the top of the screen, enter keywords related to the type of shorts you are looking for. For example, funny shorts, cooking shorts, or any other topic. Scroll through the search results to find shorts videos. Number 2, adding shorts to your search query. When you enter a search query in the YouTube app, you can add the word shorts to your search term. For example, if you're looking for cat videos, you can search for cat shorts. Number 3, explore the shorts shelf. On the YouTube app's homepage, there may be a dedicated shorts section or shelf that showcases a variety of shorts videos. You can explore this section to discover shorts content. Number 4, check the trending and explore tabs. In the YouTube app, you can often find shorts content in the trending and explore tabs. These sections showcase popular and trending shorts videos. Number 5, use the hashtag shorts. Creators often use the hashtag shorts in the video description or title to indicate that the video is a YouTube Shorts. You can search for this hashtag to find shorts content. Number 6, subscribe to shorts channels. Consider subscribing to channels that consistently create shorts content. This way, you will see their shorts videos in your subscription feed. Please note that YouTube's interface and features can change, and my knowledge is not very current. For the latest and most accurate information on how to search for YouTube Shorts, I recommend checking the YouTube Shorts app or website for any updates and guidance regarding shorts discovery and search methods. What about topic-based searches for YouTube Shorts? As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, YouTube Shorts were primarily discovered through keyword-based searches and trending or popular shorts videos. While YouTube Shorts had started gaining traction, it was still evolving and there might not have been an extensive topic based on search features or categorization compared to traditional long-form videos. However, YouTube may have introduced new features or improved its shorts discovery system since then. Here is how you could approach topic-based searches for YouTube Shorts at that time. Number 1. Use specific keywords. When searching for topic-based shorts content, use specific keywords related to your interest. For example, if you are interested in cooking, search for keywords like cooking shorts, recipe shorts, or food shorts. Number 2. Filter by duration. You can filter search results by video duration. To find shorter videos like shorts, you can set a filter for videos that are under a specific duration, such as 60 seconds. Number 3. Explore creator channels. Some creators might have organized their shorts content into playlists or themed channels. You can explore specific creator channels to find shorts related to your desired topics. Number 4. Check out hashtags. Creators often use hashtags in the video description or title to categorize their shorts content. Searching for specific hashtags related to your interests could lead you to topic-specific shorts. Number 5. Browse the Explore tab. The Explore tab on the YouTube app often showcases popular and trending shorts videos. You can check this tab to discover topic-based shorts content. Number 6. Subscribe to channels. If you find creators or channels that consistently produce shorts content in your area of interest, consider subscribing to them. This way, you will receive their shorts in your subscription feed. To find topic-based shorts content, you may need to experiment with different keywords and explore the features and sections within the YouTube app. Keep in mind that YouTube's features and search capabilities are subject to change, so it's advisable to check the latest information and updates on shorts discovery methods directly on the YouTube platform. Moving along, let's talk about accept that views, not subscribers, are the immediate benefit of creating shorts. If you have struggled to gain subscribers from shorts, that might intensify in the future. YouTube made some layout changes to the shorts player, and the subscribe button is less prominent than it used to be. In the old layout, the subscribe button was red and higher up on the player. Now the button is gray and very close to the bottom of the screen. It seems like YouTube wants to take the emphasis off subscribers, at least for shorts. We are not sure why. What we do know is that views, not subscribers, have always been the biggest reward for posting shorts. For now, create the best shorts you can possibly make. Make them so entertaining that the people deliberately search for the subscribe button, even if it's harder to see. Use pinned comments to drive viewers from a short to additional content. Shorts are like TikTok. Viewers watch them quickly, swipe to the next video, and repeat the process as they cycle through content. It's hard to get people to slow down, but when they do, you should give them something to look at. The comment section is a good place to do this. Because subscribers are harder to gain with shorts, you should make sure each video has a pinned comment. Do some research to make unique music-driven shorts. Creating unique music-driven YouTube shorts can be a great way to engage your audience and stand out on the platform. Here are some research and creative strategies to help you make distinctive music-driven shorts. Number 1, choose the right music. Start by selecting music that fits the mood, theme, or message of your short. YouTube provides a library of free-to-use music that you can incorporate into your shorts. Ensure that the music is relevant and enhances the viewer's experience. Number 2, use trending tracks. Keep an eye on popular music trends and consider using songs or tracks that are currently trending. Utilizing popular music can increase the discoverability of your shorts. Number 3, create a concept. Brainstorm unique and creative concepts that revolve around the chosen music. Your shorts should tell a story or convey a message that complements the music. Number 4, storyboard. Plan your short by creating a storyboard. Decide on the scenes, shots, and transitions that will best express your concept and synchronize with the music. Number 5, timing and pacing. Pay close attention to the timing and pacing of your short. Ensure that the visuals align with the beat and rhythm of the music. This synchronization can make your shorts more engaging. Number 6, add visual effects. Use video editing software or apps to add visual effects that enhance the music-driven experience. Effects like transitions, text overlays, and filters can make your short more captivating. Number 7, engage with trends. Monitor current trends and challenges on YouTube Shorts, especially those related to music. Participating in these trends can help your shorts gain more visibility. Number 8, engage with your audience. Encourage viewer engagement by asking questions or inviting them to participate in the content. This can lead to more comments and shares, which can boost the visibility of your shorts. Number 9, experiment and learn. Don't be afraid to experiment with different music genres, styles, and editing techniques. Analyze the performance of your shorts to understand what resonates with your audience. Number 10, leverage hashtags. Use relevant hashtags in the video description or title to categorize your music-driven shorts. Hashtags can help viewers interested in specific music genres find your content. Number 11, promote your shorts. Share your shorts on social media and other platforms to increase their reach. Collaborate with other creators, if possible, to cross-promote each other's content. Number 12, analyze performance. Review the performance metrics of your music-driven shorts to identify what's working and what needs improvement. This data can guide your future content creation. Remember that YouTube Shorts is a platform where trends can change quickly. Staying up to date and experimenting with new approaches can help you create music-driven shorts that capture the interest of your audience and potentially go viral. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.